Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using OpenAI Sora to create a YouTube video. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting, this step-by-step tutorial will equip you with the tools and knowledge to produce engaging and high-quality videos using OpenAI Sora. Let's dive in. Define your topic. Begin by deciding the topic of your video. It should be something you're passionate about and think will interest your audience. Research. Use Sora to research your topic. Ask Sora questions to deepen your understanding and gather information that could make your video more informative and engaging. Scripting. Draft a script for your video. Outline the main points you want to cover and consider how you can use Sora to enhance or illustrate these points. Setting up. If you haven't already, sign up for OpenAI and access Sora. Familiarize yourself with its interface and capabilities. Generating visuals. Use Sora to generate visuals for your video. This can include images, infographics, or animations related to your topic. Be specific in your requests to get the best results. Creating textual content. For parts of your video that require explanations or narrations, use Sora to help write concise and clear text. You can also use Sora to generate subtitles in different languages. Interactivity. Consider adding interactive elements. For instance, you can create quizzes or polls with Sora and include them in your video. Prepare your setup. Ensure you have a good camera and microphone. Your recording environment should be quiet and well lit. Recording tips. While recording, keep your energy up and speak clearly. If you're using visuals generated by Sora, ensure they are integrated smoothly into your video. Using Sora during recording. You can interact with Sora live, asking it questions or generating content on the fly if it fits your video format. This can add a dynamic and unique element to your content. Editing software. Choose your editing software. There are many options available from beginner-friendly to professional-grade. Combining footage and Sora content. Import your recorded footage and start adding the visuals and text content generated by Sora. Make sure the transitions are smooth and the visuals are appropriately timed with your narration. Fine-tuning. Adjust the audio levels, add background music if necessary, and ensure all elements are properly aligned. Use effects sparingly to enhance the viewing experience without distracting from the content. Final checks. Before uploading, watch your video multiple times to catch any errors or areas for improvement. Check for copyright issues, especially with background music or visuals. Uploading. Go to YouTube and upload your video. Fill in all the details like the title, description, and tags. Use keywords related to your video content to improve its discoverability. Promotion. Share your video on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and feedback. So, next time you're faced with the challenge of creating a YouTube video, why not give OpenAI Sora a try? It might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Voiceover. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at Blue Heron Media, a subsidiary of Blue Heron Companies, and the cutting-edge technologies they're bringing to the table. From innovative video production tools to advanced AI solutions like OpenAI Sora, they're truly paving the way for a new era of content creation. Remember, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. This way, you won't miss out on any future updates about the exciting developments at Blue Heron Media. And who knows, the next tool we introduce might just revolutionize your creative process. Stay tuned, stay informed, and most of all, stay creative.